sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little puppy. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, my little one. Joel, how's it going? Shh, Chase, my baby brother's trying to take a nap. Oh, okay. Marshall, when's Roly gonna be here? Anytime soon, Twilight. Meow. Roly must be here soon. That must be him. Hey, Roly, is that you? Yes, it's me. You made it here just in time. Just make yourself right at home. Hey, Roly, what do you want to do today? I'm not sure. Hey, Roly, what's that coming? Roly, behind you! Ah! There's a bird in here! Roly, you left the door open! Ah! I'm hiding under the table! This is crazy! I'm hiding under the table too! Let's hide upstairs. That bird won't find us here. Roly? Did you hear that? It's the bird again! Oh no, Roly! There's another bird! What? Another bird? What kind of bird is that? Its eyes are lighting up! Roly! Now there's a Fredbot toy in here! Oh man! There's so many crazy toys in this house! I know! Who are you? I'm Pipsqueak, Carly's sister. How old are you? I'm 12 years old. Wow, you're so tall. Can you help us get these birds out of here? I sure can. Just to let you know, I brought in my Wheels on the Bus series to show you guys. What? Yep, I sure did. Let me get this bird out of here. Let me get him up. Alright, I got him. Alright, now time to get this other bird out of here. Pipsqueak? What else did you bring? I brought my own McDonald's series. Ugh. Man, Pipsqueak, you're just insane. Great. I gotta get this bird out now. Ugh. Come here. You're hard to handle. Alright, I got the other bird out. Hooray, Pipsqueak, you got the birds out. Thank you so much. No problem. If you need anything, just give me a holler.
Hello, you're at the end of the video. How well were you paying attention? Do you remember what type of bird that had the light up eyes? Was it the little live pet bird or was it the digibird? Put it down in the comments below.
I smell some birds. Ooh, I smell some birds too.
I smell some birds too. We got to end the video right now. You're right. We gotta end the video. Right. We got to end the video. We gotta end the video this instant. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give this video a like.